Hey everyone! Today's topic is going to be 10 ways to detoxify your home from the winter. Hi there, I'm Annette Marble and I'm with Key Realty. Number 1, deep clean your floors. Number 2, once you've deep cleaned those floors, put a note up saying, no shoes allowed. My mom did this. I hated it, but man, she had the cleanest floors in town. Buy some plants, put those around. Those add for beautification and detoxification. Number 4, clean your throw rugs and your throw blankets that are just laying around the house. And while you're at it, number 5, grab your pet's bed or blanket. I'm sure those stink. Number 6, wipe down all your light bulbs or your light fixtures. Number 7, the bathroom accessories. We all know what goes on in the bathroom. That little carpet around the commode, if you live with boys like I do, either clean it or replace it. Switch from dryer sheets to dryer balls. Number 9, clean your air vents. I totally believe this works awesome. I do it every 3 years. If you have pets, it's the best thing to do to cut down on dust and allergens. And number 10, I love these things. They are little sticks that you drop in your drain. It keeps your drain fresh and smells great. I'm Annette Marble with Annette Marble & Associates, and we're keeping it real here in real estate.